In geometry, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. Given the two triangles shown are similar, find the value of side AC. So they're telling us these two triangles are similar, which would mean angle A corresponds with D is equal. Likewise, angle B corresponds with E, and they would have the same size, and likewise C with angle F. Sides are proportional, and we can use that fact then to set up a proportion to solve for the missing side here of AC, which we'll call X. So to set up a ratio, we have several different options, but let's look at big triangle to little triangle. And using the fact that corresponding sides are proportional in similar triangles to solve for the missing dimension in this problem. So if we start here with the base, so we have side BC from the big triangle would correspond and be proportional to the corresponding side of the smaller triangle, which is EF. That proportion should then equal, if we take our unknown big triangle side, which is AC, to its corresponding side on the little triangle, which is DF. So there's our proportion for these two triangles that are similar. Let's put in the particulars to see how they are in fact proportional and solve for our missing length. BC is 9, EF is 5, AC is our unknown, we're expressing that as X, and its corresponding side is 3. We have a proportion. We also have a rational equation because of having the fractions here. We could multiply both sides by the least common denominator of 15, or we can use cross multiplication since we have a ratio equal to a ratio. And let's do that. The product of the extremes, 9 times 3, is equal to product of the means, 5 times x. Simplifying, we have a product of 27 on the left and 5x on the right. Solving, we'll divide both sides by 5 to get x by itself. And when we do the division, dividing here, we end up with a 5.4 for that proportional length of that missing side from these similar triangles. So to answer our question, we would say 5.4 centimeters is the dimension of that missing side.